This is China's most insane jet. They claim it can hide from radar, fly to the edge of space, and even command drone armies. But here's the twist. It might not even be real. Let me explain. In 2024, China shocked the world by showing off a fighter called the White Emperor. It looks like something out of a Marvel movie. Smooth, futuristic, no tail, and painted bright white. They said it was their next-generation fighter jet. But wait until you hear what it's supposed to do. First, stealth. The White Emperor is shaped like one giant wing. No tail, no sticking parts. That makes radar waves scatter so enemy systems can't lock on. Basically, it's a ghost jet. Second, altitude. The designers claim it could fly near space, not just above other planes, way, way higher. That sounds awesome, but here's the problem. No real fighter engine today can actually do that. Third, brains. Future jets aren't just about speed or stealth. They're about being smart. The White Emperor is imagined as a flying commander, controlling drone swarms, collecting data, and leading the entire battle like the boss of the sky. And finally, the craziest claim, weapons from space. Or even energy beams. Sounds like Star Wars, right? Cool idea, but let's be honest. No fighter jet can do this yet, not even close. Here's the truth. The White Emperor has never flown. It's just a mock-up, more of a dream than a jet. Right now, China's real power is still the J-20 stealth fighter and the new J-35 carrier jet. Those are the planes actually in action. So, is the White Emperor the future of air combat, or just a fantasy showpiece? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, it definitely grabbed the world's attention. What do you think? Real future jet or just sci-fi hype? Tell me in the comments. If you want to stay ahead of the tech curve, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and join me for more crazy tech stories.